We have got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 zeros. So we have to add a 1 in front of all these zeros. A 9 in front of all these zeros. Yog. Give it value. Otherwise all these activities are big zeros. Hanji.
Actually, I'm really confused from last 20 days ago, this last time also. I'm very confused about this duty. And because a person has a tendency to do things. It's like he's very expressive, suppose. So when you do Krishna consciousness, he's very expressive.
So?
When he is doing materialist thing, also he is very.
So no problems. What is the problem with that?
Duty without attachment.
Huh?
Krishna consciousness with attachment.
Yeah.
One at the same time, you have two tendencies.
Yes, you do it in your life also. You do it in your life. You do it in your life. You go for some social work. You're doing it without attachment. You're not attached to the beggar you're serving prasad to. Are you attached? A doctor doing his duty with the patient. A serious good doctor, if he gets attached to his patient, what is going to happen to him?
It's like if I take example of
But he's attached to his family. He's not attached to his patients, but he's attached to his family. In the same way we are attached to Krishna, but we are doing duty to the others. You have to just set the priorities right, everything will fall into place.
When I teach, I really get concerned about all these things. Yeah, these people are not going, they are not studying. So I become so much attached. Sometimes it happens while teaching.
Huh.
So it is wrong, absolutely.
No? Why it is wrong?
But this is somewhat, I'm getting attached to that.
No, you're not getting attached to any student.
I'm getting concerned.
You can get concerned. Attachment and concern are two different things. You can be concerned without being attached. You can be concerned without getting attached, like a doctor is concerned about his or her patient, but not attached to the.
So when we give more time to all these things, we want to spend time with them, we want to make them read and keep on.
No, you can't change it. The basic fact is this: when you start becoming that, I'll make the fate of these people, then you are in the problem.
Not fate, but giving my 100%.
You give 100%. Your 8 hours is 100%.
But personally, you never get satisfied. This is not my 100%. This is just 80%.
No, first I'll give 100% to Krishna, and then whatever is left behind, I'll give. My priorities are right. 100% to my 16 rounds perfect. My reading of Bhagavad Gita every day. And then I give my rest time for my. And then also that professional duty is there. If you have a family, you got duty for family also. So you have to divide, you have to set time. That is called time management. Your son is going to dogs and other people's sons are doing very well. So what is going to happen? Wrong. That means you could not do proper time management. Hai na?
We always feel like to give as much time as possible to give to Krishna. It's like I'm doing chanting 16 rounds, I'm reading, but I'm reading for 1 hour.
Huh?
I really want to do 3 hours, 4 hours, because in 1 hour.
No, you will have to that see for that. That is the basic thing. That if I wanted to seek, it may be possible. For example, I like flying. Initially, it is like a hobby, but I like it so much that I make it in my profession. I made it like that. Profession means what? Profession does not mean only earning money. Profession means by which you is Varna. Profession means word. Word means how I maintain myself. So I found that I love reading these subjects and I love to teach to people. So I picked up this profession.
In this probably full-time and a life member, what we say. So life member is a bogus statement if we think.
What life member?
It's like becoming a life member is like Grast and you are attached with Krishna consciousness. It's like ISKCON hasn't.
Oh, that is bogus. That is for donation collection. That has got nothing to do with life member. That is a donation collection.
If I want to become a Grast, then this is absolutely faltu.
No. But there you are giving your funds for some good activity. See, if a teacher is there.
When I personally see that profession and I'm giving money, I feel that I am suffering. Actually, I am not I am doing work. I am not able to give my time to Krishna consciousness. I am not able to do the.
No, that you will have to see. That way you will have problems. That way it says Vanaprastha is must. What is must? 75% of our life has to be given for Krishna Bhakti, 100%. And 25% Krishna Bhakti and duty. When you become a Vanaprasthi, there is no duty. Brahmachari ashram, no duty. Your only duty, your only activity is to gather knowledge, spiritual and material. But we force our children to only take material knowledge. You don't eat non-veg. You don't eat onion garlic. That's good enough. That is not spirituality. Are you giving them knowledge of Bhagavad Gita? Are you taking their class every day for 1 hour or 2 hours? Simultaneously, how much time are you giving for their material education? At least some 1/10 of that time you give for spiritual education also. A child studies at least 10 hours a day. Right or is it correct? 8 hours in the school and 2-3 hours. 11 hours. At least 1 hour you give him a class on Bhagavad Gita. At least. But that is wrong. It should be equal. So Brahmachari ashram, you get trained to, in Grihastha ashram, how you can live doing Krishna consciousness and performing your duties. Vanaprastha, no duty again.
So if we have wasted our 24 years, it's like I'm 24 and I'm wasted. So
Huh?
now it's like
Now you have to, that means you have less time.
now I have to start my brahmacharya. It's like
No, you have to basic, yes. Actually, you are not fit to get married. Marriage is not for animals. You are not fit to get married. So what will you have to do?
for 25 years.
No, you can't do it. So basically, you'll have to put in. बोलते हैं ना कि he took up education in a later age. So what did he do? He had to clear 4 classes in one go. Like he straight off set for the 10th standard. So he has to do extra. So you'll have to do extra. That means you'll have less time for all the nonsensical activities. You have to become a human being before you get married.
So this is the main problem. Then I think that what is the purpose of teaching and studying all those things which I am not going to ultimately use anywhere, because
No, you can use them. That is your intelligence. How you can use material knowledge for spiritual work. That you will get when you take spiritual knowledge. You will understand that how you can use.
it's very tough.
It is.
It's a burden because
No, for Krishna you will have to take. Arjuna went to learn all the shastras and astras, how to use them. Oh, yaar, this is useless. Krishna consciousness, so I can't do. No, this is for what? To establishing dharma. So now you understood. So you had to also go.
because that is sometimes very attractive also. We start to enjoy it, and then we don't want to chant. We just want to read. Sometimes it happens. It automatically happens.
So, but
let me read here. Properly read. Let me understand this subject.
you can't understand till you don't chant. That is the worst thing. Actually, chanting opens the doors for a person